Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I have a review right quick, and I will be leaving to go to the dentist. So let me get this straight. So this product I actually discovered on Walmart.com. I'm always on there a lot. So one of the things is the Apple Barrel Pouring Medium. Please excuse it's being dirty. Yeah, I just did this. So this is the pouring medium. And in the colors that I did was white, blue, and silver. And it turned out pretty great. And with this, I was thinking, okay, this is just, it's going to be tough. It's going to be hard. No, it's good. You just put your few drops of, you pour it in a cup or whatever type of little container you're going to be using. Put two big cups down and put the canvas over it, and boom, you have it done. And I actually, that's what I end up doing. And I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. It turned out great. Let me say it turned out great. And I would say this. It was so easy and simple, but I just want to say this, that a lot of people just like going, I wouldn't, you wouldn't think Apple Barrel would create something like this. That is pretty cool. I wouldn't be too surprised Apple Barrel comes out with their own resin next. That is, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. But Apple Barrel, yeah, that is pretty. This is pretty good. And I got this for about $7 offline. I have checked. I went by the other day and I actually checked in the store. It's not in the store. It's only online on an online store. But y'all got to go and check it out. But if I can rank this pouring medium, I just for cause of the brand and everything, I'll give it a good 9 stars. It didn't press me that much, but it pressed me a little bit, but not too much. But it's good. It's good. It did what it did, and you can see more of the picture. I will probably come back later and try to show y'all some pictures and stuff. But yes, yes, it turned out great and everything. Until then, y'all, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.